Hello, viewers, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. This is Caesar Speaks. And for those who come across my face for the very first time, this is a new channel. In this channel, we discuss about female attraction, dating tips, dating advice, relationships and marriages. And if that really interests you, you are in the right place. Make sure that you watch this video to the end, as there are key points I will digest in this video. So, without wasting much time, let's dive in. Fellas, I just want to make this video as quick as possible. And before I proceed, let me make one thing clear. The topic today I'm about to bring in is not for the weak. If you know that you are weak, quit right now, because this topic isn't for the weak. This topic requires game to apply in an advanced level. So, like I said, this topic isn't for the weak. The topic today is how to make your woman obsessed with you. You really want to make your woman to be obsessed with you? You really want to make your woman to think about you non-stop? This video is for you. Fellas, the number one thing to make your woman obsessed with you is that you need to have the abundance mindset in you. You need to show her that you have options. You need to show her that you are a pre-selected guy. Women in general, they want men who other women want. It is in their DNA. If she found out that you are attracted to women at or above her current level of attractiveness, she will fuck with you. Yes, that's the hard fact. That's how women's brain is made up. If she sees that you are attracted to other women, she will definitely want to fuck with you. That's it. And when you are dealing with women, the number one way to show social proof with women is that for you to be with other women. Yes. If you are having fun with other women at or above her current level of attractiveness, or if you're having fun with other women of her caliber, or with other women above her caliber, she will definitely fuck up with you. You can even post a picture of you with other women around you. She will get crazy with you. She will be curious and she will want to know who that woman is. Yes, and that will raise her interest level towards you. Yes, this is the number one thing you need to you need to instill in you. And that requires game. It requires pressure. It requires another level for her to be obsessed with you. And also, you shouldn't be too available for her. If you are too available for her, she will not miss you. She will not think about you because she knows that you are always there every time. You are always at her beck and call. So she will not think about you. Yes, whenever she needs you, you are always there. She will not think about you. And that's what you need to avoid by all possible means. Do not always be too available for her. Yes. And then you should be unpredictable to her. When you are unpredictable to her, that will raise her interest level towards you. Because women gravitate towards uncertainty. Do not be a sure thing to her. When you are a sure thing to her, she will not think about you. One thing is that once a woman has you, it's over. Do not be a sure thing to her. You should be unpredictable to her. You should be that mysterious guy towards her. Provide mystery to her. Let her not know about your moves. Let her not know everything about you. Let her figure out things for herself towards you. Be that fun guy. Always when you are around her, when you are with her, provide that fun with her. As females in general, they are emotional beings. So they always want that feelings, the best of feelings that they will be able to have from you. And that's it. Always, when you are discussing about your career, about your personal goals, about your assets, that is anti-seductive. That kills attraction for her. She will not be attracted to you. Whenever you do that, she will definitely not be attracted to you. She will pretend to be a good girl and thereby she will friend zone you. Yes, she will not be attracted to you when you come up with that good guy attitude, when you come up with that good guy approach towards her. So, and this is another thing for you to take note. Yes, it is very clear. And then the other thing is that when you are with her, you need to give her the best ever feeling she can get from you. Women are emotional beings, like I said. They always want feelings to have to get the best feeling from you. And the best feeling you can give to her is to give her the D. If you give her the D, you pull back and then you request not to see her again, that will drive her crazy. That will make her obsessed with you, and then she will really want to see you again. When she comes back again, give her the D again, and then you pull back. You do that over and over and over. That will make her obsessed with you. That will make her to think about you non-stop. Yes, this requires game. It requires pressure. It requires you to have that strong masculine mentality, that strong masculine power to achieve this. So, fellas, in short, these are some of the things that you can do to make your woman obsessed with you. Take note of this. It is very important, fellas. This is a new channel, and then subscribe and like, comment. We become one family, as I like to interact with my audiences. This is Jesus Speaks. Peace.